My name is Toni Burdette, and I'm a manager in the Aviation department at Sompo. When an aircraft is damaged, the claims process can be very stressful and disruptive for our insureds, especially those who rely on their aircraft for business operations. Clear, proactive, and consistent communications with all parties involved throughout the repair process is essential to minimizing downtime. Recently, our team administered a claim involving an aircraft, a business jet, that was damaged due to a hard landing event. Our team was proactive in engaging a technical expert and the repair facility to devise a repair plan. By using our network of team of aviation contacts, we were able to source parts, manage the project, and return the aircraft to service ahead of schedule. Our insured is very happy that their aircraft was returned to service and they can put it back out on the market for business.